There are trips, and then there are experiences that reset your definition of what travel can be.
Bring it back. Keep it back.
At springtime, we joined the Pantheon Garage Monaco GP Tour. 7 days and 7 nights across the Riviera and northern Italy, racing past ordinary into something extraordinary. This is our journey, the Pantheon Garage Monaco GP Tour. We arrived in Cannes, not just a city but a statement, where palm trees frame La Croisette and every corner hums with cinematic legacy. The 5 Stars Palace Hotel on La Croisette welcomed us with Riviera charm and luxury calm. Check-in was easy, a passport, a smile, and the keys to our home for the night. Outside, the Croisette buzzed in Cannes ambiance, while inside, we slipped into something timeless. That evening, beneath soft lights in the hotel's courtyard, we had our opening ceremony at Le Fouquet's. Strangers at first, but with every shared toast and plate, the group began to bond. The menu, a tribute to the Cannes Film Festival and to the adventure ahead. The next morning, the pace changed. At 9:30 sharp, we loaded into private vans and left Cannes behind. The destination? The crown jewel of motorsport, the Monaco Formula 1 Grand Prix. There's something electric about Monaco on race day. The sounds bounce between the buildings, the harbour gleams with super yachts, and the streets, normally everyday roads, become sacred racing ground. We watched from the first row at the swimming pool chicane, the Porsche Super Cup screaming past just meters away. Then came Formula 1, raw, precise, ruthless. It wasn't just a race, it was a theatre. After the checkered flag, we explored the Principality, went for a drink in Monaco before heading back to Cannes. The night was ours to enjoy, boutique strolls, old town cafes, and the freedom to soak it in solo. Day 3 was for drivers. At 9 a.m., we were matched with our cars, a fleet of curated machines waiting for open road. From Cannes to Maranello, over 500 kilometers across borders, winding past cliffs and coastlines. We paused along the Italian Riviera for lunch by the sea, where the espresso hits different. Then we crossed into Emilia-Romagna, Ferrari country. That night, we dined among vineyards at Cleto Ciali Winery, just outside Modena. Since 1860, they've been crafting wines with patience and pride. We raised a glass to craftsmanship, theirs and ours. We woke up in Maranello, and that means only one thing: Ferrari. The morning began with an exclusive guided tour through the factory grounds, past the Fiorano test track. We didn't drive the track, but we felt its history in the air. Inside the museum, time bent around Scuderia legends. We tried the F1 pit stop, then hit the simulator, and walked away with a very special photo and a memory we'll talk about for years. Lunch was at Ristorante Montana, just steps from the Fiorano track, the same spot where Ferrari engineers and drivers dine. Then the wheels turned again, until the turquoise shimmer of Como Lake appeared. On the 4-star luxury hotel rooftop with the lake view, we ate and drank like locals, all beneath a golden Italian sky. The next morning, we traded horsepower for propellers. Lake Como from the water is a different kind of beautiful. From Malgrate to Bellagio, along the mountains showing us the Switzerland border, we glided past villas that had watched centuries pass by. After lunch, Formula 1 Monza track awaited, the Temple of Speed. We toured the press rooms, podiums, control centres, and then we raced. Go-karts, mini-GP format inside the Parabolica curve. Some were competitive, some were cautious, all were grinning. The evening was free. Spa, rooftop, a quiet glass of Barolo. Whatever you needed, it was there. Our return to Monaco wasn't rushed. We traced lakeside roads to Geneva, stopping at Cala Torcida, a seaside hideaway for lunch. Then it was time, Hôtel de Paris, Monaco, where marble meets motorsport, where James Bond might still be hiding behind the next corner. The night was yours. Casino, harbour, Buddha bar. You didn't need a plan, just time. We saw Monaco from above, a helicopter flight soaring over the azure coast. Later, we visited the Prince's private car collection, a treasure chest of motorsport legacy, and walked along pieces of the Grand Prix circuit, now quieter, but never still. Then came our closing ceremony dinner. Café de Paris, champagne, laughter, and a sense that something rare had just happened. This wasn't just a tour, it was a chapter written on roads, framed by cities, driven by passion. To everyone who shared this road with us, thank you. We came for speed. We left with stories. Pantheon Garage Monaco GP Tour. Until next time.
Woo!